Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Tech Tuesday. Today, we're going to talk about vocabulary. That's all we're going to talk about. Have you learned a new word this week? I know it's only Tuesday morning, but maybe there's a word that you learned last week and you remember that word and you're like, I'm going to try and use that word. Well, I'm going to teach you a new word. The new word is called triangle. Have you ever seen a triangle? A three-sided shape? Can you make a triangle with your hands right now? Oh, you're doing a great job. But what if I want a whole book of all my new words? Now, there are so many ways you can do it. There are fabulous ways that your teachers are teaching you to write it in a journal, to maybe complete some sheets. Today, I'm going to make it all digital because you know I love that technology. And what I want you to do is when you get a chance, you're going to open up Canva. And in Canva, I'm in my presentation mode and I'm calling it vocabulary words. And what's great is at the bottom here, I'm going to keep a list of all my new vocabulary words. And since I've only learned one, that triangle, that's the one I'm focused on. But I was thinking about it because I know kindergarten talks about triangles, but so does fourth grade. Not sure if you got into Jamestown yet, but you're going to learn about the historic triangle of Virginia that has Jamestown, Yorktown, and Williamsburg all in one spot. So on the screen here, you see that there is the word. There's two definitions. Triangle is a shape, and it's the historic area in Virginia. I went ahead and added the picture of Virginia. Do you know where to go to get that picture? Oh, that's right. You go over to Elements, you type in the word Virginia, you find the picture you like. There's so many good pictures about Virginia. I'm going to find the one that's the shape of the state, and then I drag it over here. But then I started adding in the three places. So now I've got my triangle. I've got something historic that has to do with people walking, something with the boat. I'm missing one. And I want to be able to explain what it is when I learn it. So to do that, I'm going to go over here on the left side of the screen and I'm going to click on Uploads. When I go to Uploads, I click on Record Yourself. And there I am. I'm going to record. It's going to count down. And this is similar to recording your presentation, but this is only on this page. So the triangle can be a three-sided shape, or it can be the historic area of Virginia that is Yorktown, Williamsburg, and Jamestown. When I give a little bit more information, because right now I haven't proven all that I've learned about the historic triangle, we're going to pretend I did. I click on the word done, but my circle's over here. I want my circle right here in the middle, and I'm going to click on save and exit. And you're going to see it appear right there. It's just like magic. So if this is something that you like doing, we did the vocabulary word, the definition. Now we did a few different images and then the video description. We went to uploads and record yourself and it has one quick recording. And when I learn a new word, I can click on the plus sign and I can add another word. So when it's January and my teacher says, do you remember we learned that word? And I say, give me 32 seconds. I open up I find the video, I listen to the definition that I spoke about, and then I remember it and use it in a sentence or tell a story. And that's all we got for this week's Tech Tuesday.